be using Delta Executor to cheat in Roblox. This is for me the nicest hack on rival guys that said what the shirt guys and click this guys what the app, just click it, execute it guys, execute or save it, and for anything for you, but me I like all Mac, just turn on all of these and put Mac. When you're done, just go to the bottom and press this. Look, I'm fast and look, I'm gonna fight this. If you want to fight me, I'm gonna fight this devil guys. Level 50 guys. Guys. Look guys how OP this hack. Now I can see all the people in rivals and my enemies there. I just can search the control, but me, I'm just perfect. Like that guys. This auto aim too, but do not. If you have green line, but you don't have green line, you cannot shoot in the enemies. But if you have green line, oh shit! If you have green line like this, the bullet following your enemy. If you do not have that green line like this, and you cannot shoot the enemy. That guys, just search that. Thank you for subscribing and video guys. Please like and subscribe and please for more video.